Hi, for this video, we will solve for the confidence interval for t distribution. Without further ado, here's our problem. Maria wants to determine if a new teaching method improves the mathematics performance of her grade 8 students. A random sample of 25 students scored a mean of 85 with a standard deviation of 4.5. Assuming the population is normally distributed, calculate the 95% confidence interval for the true mean score. Here's what we know. The sample size is 25, sample mean is 85, sample standard deviation is 4.5, and the confidence level is 95%. The degrees of freedom is given by n-1, so 25 minus 1 is 24. Now locate the t-value using the t-table, using the given degrees of freedom 24 and confidence level 95%. So our t-value is 2.064. Next step is to solve for the margin of error, which is given by the t confidence coefficient times the quantity of sample standard deviation over square root of n. Substitute to the formula 2.064 times the quantity of 4.5 over square root of 25. 4.5 divided by square root of 25 is 0.9 times 2.064 is 1.86. Next step is to solve for the confidence interval using this formula. Substitute 85 minus 1.86 is 83.14 and 85 plus 1.86 is 86.86. This means we can be 95% confident that the true mean score of Maria's students fall between 83.14 and 86.86.